albino female breeder pair, Lutino upline breeder pair, both red eyes, Decino into albino breeder pair, D green U-wing split offline split blue male into green offline split blue female breeder pair, wild mask breeder pair,